Windows 11 full screen taskbar problem. So click on Start menu, type here in the search settings, click enter. Here we need to click on personalization. So click on it and scroll down a little bit and click on taskbar. Now let's find taskbar behaviors and click on it. Here on click you can click automatically hide the taskbar if you need, or uncheck and it will appear again. So use this trick to solve that problem. Okay, one more thing what you can do is right click on the taskbar and click on taskbar manager. And here click on process and simply find here Windows Explorer and right click and click on restart. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.